Kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving your favorite dishes. But anyway, today we want to show you how to make Jamaican spicy curry rice. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, giving you your favorite dishes. This is what you can go with some turkey, brown stew turkey, brown stew turkey, or brown stew chicken, you know, brown stew oxtail, whatever you like to have it with, you can have it with. But I show you how to cook it. We started from first to finish, and I know you guys will like the recipe, so please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments down below and tell me what you think about this spicy curry rice. It's a nice, lovely recipe. It's something different, something changed. You know what I mean? You're tired of the old, you know what I mean, Jamaican rice and peas pumpkin rice. You need something totally different. So spicy curry rice is another rice to fill the gap. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show, and remember to donate. There's a button on top of the video, on top of the channel, which you can click on it and it takes you straight where you can donate. If you got too much money, you can donate. Why not? Get a copy of the book, 50% off, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. See you next time. Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Anyway, today we want to make you some nice, lovely Jamaican spicy curry rice. Basically, if you don't have a pot, you can always use your rice cooker. I love to use my rice cooker to cook my rice in, but I'm just gonna use my pot today to cook my curry spicy rice in. So first thing, inside of my pot right here, I have 3 cups of basmati rice. Basically, you can use brown rice or your favorite rice where you like to use to cook to make your spicy curry rice. Second thing, as I say, you can use your rice cooker to make it. So all you're gonna do normally when you're making your rice at home, say if you're gonna make plain rice and you want to like a change instead of plain rice, this is what you're gonna do. All right. So I'm gonna put some water inside of it like this. Alright, a little bit, not too much over it, as you can see. The water just a little bit over the rice, because you don't, basmati rice is very easy to cook, and you don't want to put too much water to make it cook and get soggy. Second thing, I'm gonna put a Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper in it, and also the spicy curry which I'm gonna use the mild curry. I'm not gonna use the spicy one, but the mild one is pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is put ¾ teaspoon of curry powder inside of the rice like this. Alright, it's supposed to give me that lovely color. So I'm gonna put a little pinch more in it. So roughly a tablespoon of curry powder we're gonna use. Alright, lovely and nice. Then second thing, I'm gonna put a little bit of coarse pepper. I got some fresh homemade jerk sauce, which I'm gonna be using inside of it to give it some flavor. This is Chef Ricardo jerk sauce where I'm making. I'm just gonna use just a little pinch in it to give it some flavor. Alright guys, it's spicy curry rice. Love it. Nice. Then second thing, you can put some white onion. Very good. And I'm cutting up it very small, very finely. Put it straight inside of it like this. Second thing, we're gonna put some spring onion, and I'm gonna cut it up very finely. All right, just to give it a little flavor. You don't have to cut it up if you don't like, but I'm just cutting up mine. Nice and lovely. And next thing, we're gonna put piece of thyme, and also one clove of garlic. Garlic is good for you guys. And all I'm gonna do, give it a stir. Pinch of salt. You don't have to put salt if you're allergic to salt. So as you can see exactly what's going on at the moment. We're gonna put some unsalted butter, just for flavor. 1.5 teaspoon. Not tablespoon, teaspoon. 1.5 teaspoon, guys. Give it a stir. Nice and lovely. This is spicy curry rice. Basically, I want to simply say to you, if you want your rice to be really, really, really red, all you can do is simple. Do a thing like this. Go back and simple. I'm gonna put roughly half teaspoon more, tablespoon more inside of it, the curry powder, just to get the flavor of the curry with the rice. So I'm just adding a little bit more. Lovely and nice. So basically what I'm gonna do is simple. Put on this on the stove and cook it now for roughly 15 minutes. If you was cooking in a rice cooker, you'd just click on your rice cooker and the rice cooker would cook it more easier. So rice cooker is the best for you ladies and for all who young and want to do some spicy curry rice at home. You can use spicy curry if you like. The only reason why I'm using the mild curry, because I like to use a little bit of jerk sauce in mine and I don't want it too hot. But as you can see, I put a scotch bonnet pepper inside of it, which is going to be giving it a lot of flavor. So it's going to be really nice. So guys, if you want to try my spicy curry rice, feel free to try it. And this can serve with our brown stew chicken or fried chicken or something wet like some oxtail or probably some brown stew beef or brown stew pork. Really goes really well with this. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. And this is Chef Ricardo spicy curry rice. You can serve it your favorite meat kind. You can serve it with all fish too. Yes, goes really well with fish. So enjoy it. As we're gonna cook this, I'm gonna cook it for 15 minutes on a medium size heat. I'm not gonna turn up my stove too high. I'm gonna just cook it for 15 minutes and we're gonna go through the whole process. Alright, so first thing what we're gonna do next, look at that. This is what we're gonna do next. So now I just put it on the stove, and right now guys, what we're gonna simply do is cover it just like this and leave it for a nice good 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes and the water dry down, turn on your stove to low. Anytime the water dry, turn on your stove to low and give it a few more minutes, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna check it and see how the rice look. So guys, you will like the recipe, and remember, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please donate that money which you got too much to Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, that we can get more ingredients. Thank you for so much for also who donate already, and also who gonna donate. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So right here guys, that is a curry spicy rice. Remove the pepper and all the thyme. Let's get rid of some of these thyme. Smell lovely and nice. Give it a stir. And as you can see, this looking lovely and nice. And as I say, you can cook this right straight inside of your rice cooker and it come out lovely and nice just like this. So basically guys, as I say, this one is basmati rice, very easy to cook, and to be honest, that is finished. I don't need to go any further with it guys. That finished. This is finished guys. As I say, basmati rice is very easy to cook, so if you are cooking basmati rice, that's the way it look and that's the way it's gonna come out. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And as I can see, this is spicy curry rice. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you, and enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye.